Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see posts you've liked on Instagram. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So, seeing the posts you've liked on Instagram, basically once you like the post on Instagram and you just go away or you re-refresh the page, if you want to access it again, Instagram gives you a feature where you can see all the videos that you liked. I'm going to show you how. So first of all, you're going to launch Instagram. And from Instagram, you're going to go, let's say, for example, I liked this post, okay? Okay, and then it is gone now. I'm going to go to my profile, okay? Now, from my profile, I'm going to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. Then, from there, I'm going to click on something called Your Activity. When I click on Your Activity, you're going to see the place with like your interactions, your likes, your comments, your tags, your sticker responses, and your reviews. If I go on likes, okay, and it's going to start to load. As you can see, you're going to see all the posts that you've liked. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.